goodness, I look 12 years old. It's been a while since I shaved off my beard completely. I feel like literally a 12-year-old, but anyway, do you guys remember this dude? I think I'm still actually recovering from the damage he caused. No, I'm just kidding. So I did a review on this guy. Please click on the card and it will actually take you to that video. Let's just say he's very active, this little dude. Colorful, all over the place. So I came across this dude, and this I got from the Crazy Store. As you guys know, that's one of my favorite stores to go to. Hey, they've got their, I think, birthday anniversary now. Oh wow, yes. So that means I will definitely be making a trip and see what I can get on special. Anyway, so to get back to this guy, I do not think it's the same manufacturers, because I checked out both boxes, but I can't pick up that the same people made these robots. So this one is called T2 Smart Robot, a set of multifunctional smart friends. Okay, it's a 360 turn and walk. Arm can swing 90 degrees up and down. Lifelike sound, blinding lights. Blinding lights. Where have I seen that before? Okay, but anyway, let's get to it. So, there we go. Reminds me a lot of RoboCop. Okay, so you do need to unscrew the back there, and you need to put in 3 AA batteries. Okay, it does not include the batteries. I had to go and buy them separately, and I've already inserted the batteries, but I have not turned him on as yet. I'm a bit scared. Okay, at the bottom you'll see there's a wheel, so obviously he's gonna turn, and that is where my problem comes in with that guy. It's so like blinding and fast and all over the place. It's difficult to control. You know, these type of robots that does not include a remote, but it is cheaper, more affordable. So depending on, you know, what you want to get or what you want to get your kids, I would say, especially for smaller children, go for these budget line robots. Okay, I'm postponing this whole thing. Let's switch them on. Are you guys ready?
Autobots, transform and roll out!
Before we continue, let me give you guys a close-up quick. T2 Smart Robot set of multifunctional smart friends. This is the back of the box. Lifelike sound, blinding lights. On the left side, world's best fighting robot. Arms can swing 90 degrees up and down, 360 degree turn and walk. And on the other side, just another quick walkthrough about different features.
Okay, I like the voice. I haven't seen the arm moving up and down, but it's maybe because I need to put this thing down, switch it on and see what happens. Okay guys, let's do that and let's see what happens. Okay, so here goes nothing, guys. Let's see.
Autobots, transform and roll out. Autobots, transform and roll out.
Well, I think this one is really boring compared to this guy. I never thought I'd say this, but if I had to choose between these two, I'm gonna go for this one. First of all, I like the design much more. I think there's much more detail that went into this one instead of this one. This one's heavier, this one's very light, it's very cheap, so definitely not the same manufacturer. I really did not enjoy this. I think it's really boring, and the arm didn't even go up and down. I don't know if I've got a broken one or if you just need to like turn it on your own. I don't know, but I really don't like this one, guys. I really don't. I'm gonna definitely be donating this Robocop lookalike. I never thought I would prefer this active dude, but I do. And I think it's much more fun. And just by looking at both, you know, this one's much more appealing. So you are my favorite, even though you are a very hyperactive. I do like you now, and I do appreciate you a lot more than what I did before this dude showed up. I'm gonna switch both on. What do you think about that? Let's do that. And go. For some reason, this is like my favorite now. Much more detail, much more fun, much more exciting. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please go check out my previous one. And these two are around about the same price. Do not buy this one. Go for this one. And it's cuter. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like it, please comment, like, subscribe. That will really help out my channel big time. And I'll see you guys in the next one.